Knowledge, action. The dictionary defines knowledge as facts, information, and skills acquired through experience, education, and observation. Action is defined as the act or process of doing something, typically to achieve an aim or to get something done. Some people say that knowledge is power, but without action, knowledge is nothing but dust. Think about it. If we are the vehicle, knowledge is the key. Without the key, how does our vehicle move? It sits, it waits, it rusts. It even turns to dust. Nothing happens. You can push start it, jump start it. Before that's happened, we need knowledge. As a child, we grow. We learn the basics needed to survive. We learn how to communicate. We learn the difference between safety and danger. We learn right from wrong. It's like a learner license to knowledge. We need guidance because we, on our own, can't do it alone. As we grow, we seek to understand the world around us, to develop the tools to help us live a good life. But for this to happen, the action of sharing what we know is the key. We are restricted by the opportunities available to us. To fully utilize knowledge, we must open our mind to new ideas and appreciate that the knowledge we have is the key. A great philosopher, Abu Bakr, once said, "Without knowledge, action is useless. And knowledge without action is futile." Through time, we have seen people who have blindly used someone else's knowledge for their own good. These are the people who have been swayed by people's voices in order for their own knowledge. Geniuses are full of knowledge. They have a natural ability, a gift that sets them apart from others. Imagine what would not be if geniuses never acted on their brilliance. Kupe would have never used his knowledge of navigation, sailed across the seas to Aotearoa. Tane, he would have never suggested a different way to part his parents, Papatunuku and Ranginui. If not for them, we would not have marae, food, culture, and most importantly, knowledge. So, we're not all geniuses, but that shouldn't stop us from gaining as much knowledge in our lifetime as possible. Knowledge is a gift. It is precious. It is a taonga that must be nurtured, developed, shared, and appreciated. Knowledge. Knowledge is everything, but without action, it's dust. The ability to make use of knowledge in real-life situations takes courage. Courage is bravery. With knowledge comes action. With action comes power. Knowledge, action, power. We are constantly learning something new, whether it is acquired through hearing it, seeing it, smelling it, tasting it, or feeling it. Because knowledge is knowledge. Some say knowledge, 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 but they don't realize that knowledge becomes action. Action is action, and knowledge is knowledge. Therefore, I believe that knowledge is power. To acquire knowledge, I like to write down what's in my head. I like to go over my notes over again, again, and again. For me, knowledge is everything. If I want to become an architect or a lawyer, I must know what knowledge is. Because knowledge is power, and without action, it's useless. Kia ora.